Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys like today's video. I crystallized my bathing suit, which isn't actually a bathing suit. You'll see it's a set, and the material is very much like a bathing suit to me. It's just really thin, the bottoms anyway. So I bedazzled it, I crystallized it, I strassed it, whatever you want to call it. I made it all sparkly, and I hope you enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit the bell notification below. And I hope you enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching in advance, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. So this is the set. This is the future bathing suit set. I got it from Forever 21 a few years ago. Never wore it in my life, but I love the way it looks. Like those straps right here, I love them. Everything is like strappy on the side and on the bottoms. You can see here on the sides, I just love the way it looks. It's very flattering on the body. And yeah, so these are my beads. So they are from Michaels. I have the AB effect, and I also have the non-AB effect. Those are like $9.99 in Michaels. I also have these kinds. They're also $9.99 with like an AB effect. They have like different sizes to them, as you can see: small, medium, and large. And that is, oh, and actually, I'm sorry, totally forgot to mention the E6000 glue that I'll be using, because those thingies are not going to move with the E6000. I'm not going to have to be bothered by them falling. Okay, so I've laid flat all of the crystals by design and size. Also, I've laid flat the AB ones, the white ones, by their size, so it'll be easier to pick up. Also, those colorful rhinestones I didn't show before, I've got them on eBay. They're called Sue-on rhinestones. I hope I'm saying that right. Very easy to work with. I'll just add the glue on the back, and they add a pop of color. They're very, very beautiful. And that's about it. Okay, so right now I'm just testing out the design that I want to create, and that's by laying the rhinestones, the crystals, on the top, the bra, the bathing suit, whatever you want to call it, and just to see how it looks, if I like the design, if I have enough of the rhinestones to do it, and just kind of to test things out. So here I'm kind of like making a flower. I'm trying to see if I like it, and trying to add a pop of color to see how that will work. And you always want to test things before you commit, because if you commit, you won't be able to remove it afterwards, and even if you'll be able to remove it, it's not going to look good. So this rhinestone right here is my favorite, and it matches like beautifully to this color of bathing suit. So because I only have one, I will be putting it right there in the middle, so I can get away with just using one and not having to match. So I decided to start with this one. This rhinestone I have the most of, and not even enough. So I will be adding them on the top of the bra, just kind of to create the half a circle design on the top, and then continue my way from there. So I already calculated before, and I knew I was going to run out of the non-AB ones. So now I'm just continuing the last one here on the sides with the AB colored. Same design though. So I kind of liked the flower shape that I was testing out before, so that's what I'll be doing here. Now that I've glued my flower, I'm going to create a stigma with the white, oops, I dropped it, with the white bead with the AB effect. This one right there, I'm gonna just place it in the middle of the flower. So now that I'm done with the flowers, I'll be adding some pop-up colors with the rhinestones. So I've chosen the green because I think it goes very well with this colored swimsuit. So I don't have the same shape. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the greens on the same location but with different shapes. So same color, same location, but a different shape. So let your imagination go wild. I'm adding these hot pinks also. I think they're beautiful on this suit. And then once I apply those, I also want to build a little template, as you can see right now. This is a template that I haven't glued yet. I'm just creating a shape of something, whatever it is, instead of having just like all individual rhinestones on the bra. I just wanted to create something that can look like either a flower or whatever shape and form it is. I'm just gluing everything, and I'll continue my way, you know, to surround the bra with the rhinestones. Oops. Just to kind of make it look more interesting. So in regarding to the bottoms, I'm not showing just because I had to glue them, the rhinestones, on my body, because when you wear this material stretches. It's loose when it's not worn, but when it's on the body it stretches. So I started putting rhinestones on them, and then once I tried it, everything kind of like lost its shape just because everything stretched. So I literally had to put rhinestone by rhinestone on myself, even in the back, which was very, very, very hard, but I pulled it through. And it's like when I'm not wearing the bottoms, it kind of looks kind of like weird and out of shape, but when it's on the body, it comes back to its shape. So it's a funny way of how it turned out to be, but that's how I worked with these underwear.